Forex Gold XAUUSD very latest forecast.
Here's a summary of the latest XAUUSD gold forecasts and technical analysis as of June 5th, 2025. Current sentiment and trend. Overall bullish bias. Gold is largely seen as maintaining a bullish trend, supported by factors like geopolitical tensions, economic uncertainties, and expectations of potential Fed rate cuts. Consolidation and pullback. The price has been consolidating and experienced some pullbacks after reaching historical highs, but this is viewed as a healthy correction, potentially setting the stage for further upside. Safe haven demand. Escalating global trade tensions and decreased market risk appetite are increasing demand for safe haven assets like gold. Key price levels and targets. Resistance. Immediate resistance is being tested around 3,366 minus 3,370. Further resistance levels are identified at 3,389 minus 3,397, 3,412 minus 3,422, and $3,439. A significant upside target zone is $3,491 to $3,500, which includes the current record high. If strength is retained and new highs are broken, the $3,557 level is a potential target. Support. Short-term support is around 3,356 minus 3,351. Stronger support is seen around $3,333, Tuesday's low, and the 20-day moving average, currently at $3,293. Additional support levels are 3,342.605, 3,316, 3,309, and 3,279, $3,268. A new floor for gold prices is being established somewhere above $3,000 an ounce. Technical analysis highlights. Daily chart shows consolidation of recent gains with a bullish bias, trading above a flat 20 simple moving average, SMA. 4-hour chart favors a bullish extension, with the 20 SMA providing intraday support and advancing beyond flat 100 and 200 SMAs. A descending broadening wedge pattern breakout also suggests a move towards the $3,400 region. Moving averages and technical indicators generally indicate a strong buy or buy signal across various timeframes, with most moving averages suggesting upward momentum. RSI, rebounding from the mid-level, indicating bullish momentum. Factors influencing XAUUSD. U.S. economic data, weaker than expected U.S. economic data, like ADP employment and ISM services PMI, tends to weaken the U.S. dollar and support gold prices. Federal Reserve policy, expectations of Fed rate cuts by year-end, are a significant driver for gold. Geopolitical risks. Escalating geopolitical tensions, e.g., between Russia and Ukraine or U.S.-China trade conflicts, increase demand for gold as a safe haven. U.S. dollar strength. A stronger U.S. dollar generally weighs on gold, while a softer dollar is supportive. Treasury yields. Pullbacks in treasury yields can lead to gold rebounds. Short-term outlook, next 24 hours. Gold is currently in a recovery cycle after a correction. Consolidation is likely to continue in the near term. Market participants are keenly awaiting upcoming U.S. labor reports, like non-farm payrolls, and Fed speeches, e.g., Fed Chair Powell, which will likely influence price action. Some analysts suggest buying dips, expecting 20 to 40 pip bounces from support levels. Important note, the financial markets are dynamic.
Currently, gold XAUUSD is in bullish trend. So always buy gold from the dip.